Prevention solves problems before they can start. Combat moisture and keep your home comfortable by setting up a dehumidifier. It's your first line of defense in maintaining optimal humidity levels. Proper ventilation is crucial. Ensure your appliances like dryers and kitchen hoods are well vented and let fresh air circulate by opening windows. A little elbow grease in the bathroom and kitchen prevents mold growth. Focus on tiles, shower curtains, and any damp surfaces. After cleaning, make sure to dry wet areas thoroughly. Mold and mildew can't grow without moisture. Stay vigilant and regularly check for leaks under sinks and around appliances. Catching them early can save you from mold troubles. Fix leaks as soon as you find them. Simple repairs can prevent costly water damage and mold infestations. Thanks so much for joining us today. We've armed you with the know-how to identify, tackle, and prevent mold and mildew in your home. Remember, the key is early detection and regular maintenance. Let's keep our homes mold-free and healthy. Start today, because a little effort goes a long way in protecting your space. If you've picked up some helpful tips, share your thoughts below and join our community. Hit that like button and subscribe for more insights to a naturally clean home. Your support inspires us to create more content